Welcome to Mahe. Today I decided to do a little hike. So I went from our hotel along the beach and then a little bit through the jungle, which brought me to this wonderful little cove here. And I'm the only person here, which is great. I'll now rest a bit because the hike's not over yet. So we have a little bit more to go, maybe 1.5 kilometers through the jungle until we get to an even more secluded beach. So I'm really looking forward to this, but already this find here, it's just great. And maybe I come back for sunrise someday. Let's see. So I finally made it to the final destination. Another empty beach, and this one, it's a little bigger than the last one, but provides less shade. So I'm still here beneath the palm trees because I'm completely sweaty and it's really hot. So now I'm gonna relax a bit, then I'll go down to the water's edge, also explore a bit, get my feet wet. I won't swim here because there are very strong currents and the waves are also, they are quite intense. But what I'll do first, or what I try to do first, everywhere around here there are coconuts, and yeah, I try to crack one. And yeah, I've done this a few times, and mostly I cracked the brown ones, which already had very good coconut meat. Today I'm gonna try one of those, which seems to have freshly fallen, and yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. I guess there's a little more coconut water or coconut milk in it, so let's see. And yeah, I might show you also how to crack those because it involves quite a bit of work. So first you smash it very hard on the rock, and then once this shell comes off, you tear it loose. And when you have completed this task, I show you the next step. But first, the sweaty work. So, this was quite some hard work. Sometimes it's easier, especially if those nuts were lying around in water for some time, then it's usually easy to peel them. But this one, whew, really got me sweaty. But now the last step, so I now have the nut and I now have to crack it open to get to the coconut milk. And this is much easier than you'd expect. This is quite hard, but all you have to do is knock it lightly onto some rock, not with much force, and just turn it while you do. So around the equator, so to say, and just repeat it. Knock, knock, knock. And at some point it will just crack and the milk will flow out, and yeah, then you can drink it. Now you listen, this was the crack. It already starts to crack here. So if I give it one more hit, the milk will flow out. So, woohoo! Okay, damn, it's warm, so it's not very good, but I now have all the meat here, and this is delicious, no matter the temperature.